Come on, baby. Today we got an old A&J built motors, brother. First startup.
Yep.
That blue smoke, that's just a little. Come on, girl. What y'all doing to my boat?
What you did there?
You just rebuilt it.
Oh yeah, That what your truck sounds like. Oh yeah, we done locked her up.
That bitch just smells like a fucking choo-choo train.
Screw right there.
You know what she is?
No, I think that's just a cover to remove this. No, it might be an idle screw.
No, it's
Honestly,
got a needle in the end of it.
yeah, it's probably like idle screw. Good old damn starter there. Some new wire down there. A little bit of silicone right there for reinforcement.
Right there, boy.
Right there. Nice aluminum plate. Can't beat this thing. $4,000 cash. Bring me some money.
Yeah.
We got a new trailer, nice little tires. You can pull it behind your Ford Ranger, side by side if you want to. Drop that hole off in the creek.
Another fucking.
Got good solenoid on her.
We're
Good
gonna get her
quick
tuned up
disconnect.
before anybody comes and looks at her.
Yeah, we're gonna tune her up. Nice damn power pole on her up there.
Alright, let's see if that needs tuning. We're gonna do test her tune right here.
Testing. Should have done this before we started the video.
Yeah, sorry, y'all.
It's all shits and giggles.
All new seals. All new. This could be you.
Right here. Pulling behind your Tundra on 40s.
It's the weather. The rain got in the carbs.
Oh yeah, Evinrude. Not too bad of a day, you guys.
Not too bad. Yeah, she leaks a little bit of manure in the water.
Oh yeah. Something's wrong with her.
A little bit of milk in the lower. We gotta run it! Oh! Sea trial! Ah!
yeah, buddy. Oh, that's cold. Fuck.
Pull my truck up a little bit.
Look at me. No, yet.
Anybody. I don't care.
I don't know if I'd like to stand on that platform
An
up there.
old fish can.
Not with 3 of us in here.
Nice day in Florida, all 70, cloudy some.
Pull her up, Mr. Hairboat. Hold on, no.
Oh! What the What the